Hello everyone, this is my review of the Weld-Baler portable air compressor. The first thing I noticed is how small and portable it is. It fits easily in the trunk, glove box, or even a backpack without taking up much space. I also like the digital display. It's easy to read, and being able to see the current tire pressure and set a target pressure makes the whole process simple. Another thing that stood out is the automatic shutoff feature. You set your desired PSI, press start, and it stops automatically when it reaches the correct pressure, so there's no guessing involved. The built-in rechargeable battery is a huge plus. You don't always need to plug it into your vehicle, which makes it convenient for road trips, camping, and everyday use. I also like that it comes with multiple attachments. It works for car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, and other inflatables. So it's useful for much more than just your car. The LED light is another nice feature. If you ever have a low tire at night, a light built right into the inflator makes the situation much easier to handle. Overall, it's one of those products that gives you peace of mind because you know you're prepared for unexpected situations. If you want a compact, easy-to-use portable air compressor for your vehicle, bikes, and inflatables, this is definitely worth keeping in your car. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.